question number 106, which is not a feature of naked seeded plants. Naked seeded plants हम सबको पता है that we are concerned with or we are talking about gymnosperms. अब you have to identify that which feature is not true for gymnosperms. Direct pollination. As in gymnosperms, ovule is naked, so the pollen grain directly falls on the ovule. So direct pollination is seen in gymnosperms. This is true. Orthotropous ovule. Orthotropous ovule is the primitive type of ovule. What happens is, generally gymnosperms में unitegmic ovule मिलता है and orthotropous ovule is found. Orthotropous ovule क्या होता है? In which the micropyle body of the ovule or chelical end lies in a single straight line. They lies in a straight line. Micropyle, ovule and cheliza. They lie in a straight line. These type of ovules are also found in some of the primitive angiosperm. So orthotropous ovule is the feature which is associated with gymnosperm. So this is correct. Haploid endosperm. Endosperm gymnosperm में कैसे form होता है? In gymnosperm, endosperm is formed by the repeated divisions in the megaspore. So this is haploid. So this is correct. Presence of veins and veinlets in leaves. No. Veins and veinlets are absent in gymnosperms. Leaves of the gymnosperms do not have veins and veinlets. So the incorrect feature is option number 4. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 107. Read the following 4 statements A to D and how many above statements are correct. Okay, in gymnosperms, female gametophyte is represented by megasporophyll. Incorrect. Compactly arranged megasporophylls form female cone, and functional megaspore undergo repeated divisions to form female gametophyte. Okay, so this is incorrect option. In Selaginella and Salvinia, the gametophytic plant body possesses rhizophore. Selaginella में rhizophore होते हैं, but in Salvinia, rhizophores are not found. So this is incorrect. Origin of seed habit can be traced in Selaginella. This is correct because Selaginella is heterosporous. Okay. Anthridiophore and archigoniophores are present in Mertensia. This is true. So out of these, C and D are correct. So 2 statements are correct out of the 4. So by this, answer to this question is option number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 108. Pinus and Polytrichum resemble each other in Pinus. We know that ये क्या है? It is a gymnosperm. And Polytrichum, it is a bryophyte. Okay. अब motile male gametes are absent in Pinus and biflagellated antherozoids are present in Polytrichum. So this is not the feature कि Pinus और Polytrichum resemble each other. So we have to find a feature which is present in both or which is absent in both. तो दोनों रिजेंबल तभी करेंगे जब कोई ऐसा फीचर मिलेगा जो दोनों में प्रेजेंट है या दोनों में एब्सेंट है. मोटाइल मेल गेमेट पाइनस में तो एब्सेंट है एंड पॉलीट्राइकम में दे आर प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंस ऑफ वेसल्स. वेसल्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ जाइलम. ओके, अब जाइलम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ वैस्कुलर टिश्यूज. Vascular tissues are present in gymnosperms, but they are absent in bryophytes. So this is also not the feature. ये incorrect है. Non-motile female gamete. Non-motile female gamete pinus में भी present है and polytrichum में भी present है. So this is correct. And talking about the fourth feature, diplontic life cycle. Diplontic life cycle is present in pinus, but in case of polytrichum, haplodiplontic life cycle is present. So this is incorrect. Okay, so by this, answer to this question is option number 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 109. The gymnosperms are dash, they produce dash microspores and megaspores. Here you have to identify an option which correctly fills A and B. Okay, the gymnosperms are heterosporous and they produce haploid microspores and megaspores. Heterosporous and they produce haploid micro and megaspores. So by this, answer to this question is option number 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 110. Select the mismatched column with respect to plant group. Gymnosperm में largest ovule, tallest tree and largest gamete. This is true. Largest ovule is found in Cycas revoluta. Tallest tree. Sequoia is one of the tallest tree. And both largest male and largest female gamete is found in species of Cycas. So this is true. Feature 2 is it produces seed but not fruit. This is correct. So first option is correct. Option 2, bryophyte has dominant phase sporophyte. No, dominant phase in bryophyte is gametophyte. And second feature is antherozoids are biflagellated. This is correct. Pteridophyte में they are mostly homosporous. Correct. Gametophytes and sporophytes are free living in pteridophytes. This is correct. Angiosperm produces seed and flower. True. And angiosperms are the most advanced plant group. This is also very true. So we have to find out the mismatched column. So by this, answer to this question is option number 2, in which it is given that dominant phase of bryophyte is sporophyte, but it is incorrect. Dominant phase of bryophytes is gametophyte. Okay, moving on to the next question, question number 111.